save yourself thousands of pounds from list price. What about this car? Just bought Range Rover Sport Dynamic SE in the best-selling colour. We sell loads of these cars. This is the one that people want. Borasco grey with the right spec as well. Full black pack, opening sunroof, 23-inch wheels. This is a magnificent car with 6,000 miles on a 73 plate. It is beautiful as well. Condition of it is stunning. The wheels are special. It's also got the fixed side steps. These things are what sell these cars. The colour combination, black interior, opening roof. The colour of the exterior is very, very important. Anything we get in this colour, we sell straight away. Now we try and buy the right cars, the right spec. We want these Range Rover Sports with these wheels. They're the best wheels, 23-inch wheels in gloss black. They look magnificent. This also got the contrasting black roof. That is an option on this car. Full black pack with black bottom section, black midsection, black badges. Of course, this is a Range Rover Sport. It's 300 horsepower. It's a 3-litre diesel. It's got loads of space. It's got a big boot. It's got air suspension. It's a great family car, but whether you're single, you've got a family, it suits what you're looking for, and they're great to drive. Heated rear seat, heated front seat, lovely leather, part electric rear seat, switchable off the door. You've also got the soft ambient lighting, keyless entry, keyless start, adaptive cruise control, heated steering wheel. Everything is on these vehicles, but this one has the key bits and bobs that make sure it'll sell. So, car's obviously 73. It's got balance of Land Rover warranty, breakdown assistance still remaining on it. Like I say, it's in a beautiful condition. You'll see that black styling continues at the front of the car with the badging, the bottom section, LED lights. Stunning, stunning car. Price in the market itself, it's a great price. But if you're looking for a sport, buy one with the right bits on it, because it's what matters. Now, obviously switchable digital interface. We've got heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, lane assist, blind spot assist, black leather steering wheel, black exterior steering wheel. You can see we've got air suspension. Currently at access height, 'cause I'm getting in and out the car. It'll raise to normal as you drive, and you can raise it to off-road if you wanted to take it so. Weight sensing, energy impact, driving style, loads of different features on these, but the main ones are really, you get the 360 camera, top view camera, reversing camera, and 3D surround view camera as such. Wireless smartphone integration, heated front seats, digital climate control, everything's available, everything's easy to use, 2 keys, car's in a wonderful order, and it is the right price. If you're interested in a sport, then this one's got all the key features that will make sure that we sell it very, very fast. 6,000 miles on a 73. Give me a call, my number's on the screen. It's Richard. I would love to speak to you. Part exchange prices, finance figures, easily done. Thanks for watching.